Hello and welcome back to Peer-to-Peer English. I'm Emily.
And I'm Rob. And today we're going to talk about the difference between say and tell.
So these are very similar verbs and they're often confused with each other.
To start, we're going to explain the difference between the two words.
The verb tell, or told in the past tense, means to give someone information or to explain something.
That's right. And the verb say in the present tense or said in the past tense refers to specific words that come out of our mouths.
So let's talk about some examples. Mary told me about her party. In this example, Mary gave me specific information about her party. Maybe the party was really fun with a lot of friends, or maybe it rained and the party was canceled.
Here's another example. Mary said to me that her party was nice. In this example, the speaker is telling us that Mary spoke the specific words, "My party was nice."
So let's practice this together. Rob, tell me about your day.
My day was fantastic. It was sunny outside, I had a great lunch, and I had a really great productive day at work.
Now, what if I asked Rob this question? Rob, say to me about your day.
About your day.
In this example, Rob spoke the specific words about your day because I asked him to say those words.
Exactly. Let's try another example. Emily, tell me about your trip.
My trip was wonderful. I went to the beach and the weather was great. I also ate some delicious food.
Exactly. She's telling us about her trip. She's giving us details and information about her trip. Now, Emily, say to me about your trip.
About your trip.
In this example, Emily is saying the exact words about your trip because I asked her to speak those words.
Now, in both of these examples, the word tell sounds more natural because we are asking about information about Rob's day and information about Emily's trip. What are some examples where we would use the word say in a sentence?
The first example comes again from Mary. Mary said that her party was canceled because of the rain. In this example, Mary spoke the exact words, "My party was canceled because of the rain."
Good. Here's another example. You said that we should meet at the park. In this example, you spoke the exact words, "We should meet at the park."
Perfect. So why don't you try to come up with some example sentences and write them in the comments below?
Let us know if you have any questions. Please make sure to like our YouTube video.
And let us know what other topics you would like us to cover. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again soon.
Bye.